guys, welcome to 2024. This is a 25-day weight loss challenge. The daily schedule is on my website and will also be on my free app. It's not out yet, but will be released soon, so stay tuned. Alright, smash that thumbs up button, leave me a comment down below, and let's get into the workout. We've got 16 exercises in this upper body and core workout. 30 seconds of each exercise with 10 seconds of rest for most of them. Stand upright, and we're starting with arm circles. Start by drawing smaller circles with your arms, then increase your range of motion. Now rotate in the opposite direction. No rest here, let's move on to C rotations. With your arms extended out, motion them like you're drawing C's or a semicircle. If this is too easy for you, you can always add some light weights. Great work guys, rest your arms and we've got some pulses next. Lift your arms up and pulse upwards. Do your best to keep going without taking breaks. No rest here, let's move on to a downward pose. Now pose in a downward motion, and if this is too easy for you, you can always add some light weights. Nice work everyone! The next couple of exercises are on your mat, so get onto your mat and we've got knee push-ups coming up. Get on your knees, keep your back straight and lower your body down. Then press up and repeat. Do not flare the elbows out, keep it at around 45 degrees angle.
건너편에 앉아있어 한 걸음씩 가까이 더 기다리다 보면 알겠지 너 따라가다 보면 나는 네 자취를 남겨줘 내 상에는 아마도 정말 너는 뿌리고 나갈 때 널 따라가줘 baby 어깨에 두 손은 안 놔요 아무것도 가진 걸
10 seconds rest now. Shoulder taps is next, so get ready to go into a high plank position. Tap your shoulders while keeping your hips as stable as you can. Rest up guys, great work. Side plank reach through is next. Get into a side plank position. Now bring one arm under and over, and then reach towards the ceiling. If this is too hard for you, you can do it on your knees.
아무것도 가진 걸 없이 나 babe 아직도 나 feeling you 온통
10 seconds rest now and we'll work the other side. Keep your core engaged.
I need you and I'm feeling baby baby you only you baby baby you I miss you I've been feeling baby baby you I need you yeah I see you more
You're doing great, guys. Lay flat on your mat and get ready for some Superman. Lift both arms and legs up at the same time, then lower them down slowly and repeat. We're more than halfway through the workout, so keep pushing yourself. Just less than 5 minutes left to go.
Everybody else mad, adrenaline rush, leaving them in the dust. Now they converting the stands. The world is in her hands now. She's living in my head, rent free. Burning through my long-term memory. Everybody racing in her Grand Prix. They know if they don't take a chance now. Feeling stay woke, no sleep. Running back real slow, was that a win?
Nicely done, guys. Rest up once again and plank arm raises are next. Get into a low plank position, then raise one arm up, one at a time while keeping your core tight and hips stable.
Tryna find an opening, roll the dice, cold sweat running down my neck. She be on the next victim, get caught in a web. Got these fellas spending all they got left. She be keeping the score like a follow ratio. Got these fellas praying to the Lord for a glimpse of any hope. She bad, she broke, straight unpredictable, straight.
10 seconds rest now. Plank saw is next.
Living in my head, rent free. Burning through my long-term memory. Everybody racing in a Grand Prix. They know.
We're going back into a low plank position. Engage your core by pulling in your belly towards your spine while engaging your glutes and quads. Then rock your body forward and backwards. Great work, everyone. Plank walk is next, and this will be the last plank base exercise. Keep pushing through, guys. Not long to go. Get into a high plank position and now bring one arm and one leg out to the side. Then back to the starting position and then repeat on the other side. Stand upright and we'll have a couple more arms exercises to finish off the workout. Poses are next. Like before, have your arms pulsed upwards.
We were so out of touch, so far apart. Been way more than raw. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting our fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame, oh no, that we're playing this blame game. We were so out of touch.
No rest here, let's swap to down poses.
Been way more than raw. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting our fighting. No wrongs that we're righting. It's a shame that we're playing this blame game. You push me away and all that I tried to give when you only take, you never see in my shoes. But you don't accept it, we had a standstill. While you be building walls made of steel. Here we go, calling it quits so you can find someone to click with. Someone new fit, treat us like a business. Sharp tongue cut like a knife, this isn't us.
Final rest of the workout now. Rest up and we've got back poses.
Thought we were unshakable, but when you started leading us,
With a slight bend on your knees, bend forward, keeping your back straight. Now pulse your arms backwards.
we're on the nights, we're at each other's throats. Why? We were so out of touch, so far apart. Been way more than raw. Just look at these scars. Damn, we're forgetting our fighting.
No rest here, let's finish off with arm circles.
It's a shame.
Now draw some circles with your arms and we are almost done.
We're so far apart.
And that's the workout, guys. I hope your core is burning and you're feeling it in your arms. Smash that like button for me, drop me a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next workout. Bye!